Your 3-minute question and answer period for the Scotiabank Climate Action Challenge will now begin. Have you had any unintended negative effects on climate through this project, and how did you overcome them?
Could you repeat the question?
Have you had any unintended negative effects on the climate through this project, and how did you overcome them?
So as an organization, we're always looking for advice from experts and the community as well to be able to make sure that we're doing everything as efficiently and meeting our goals efficiently as possible. So, sometimes we have to reevaluate the systems that we once used as we were launching the project. For example, our delivery route was something that we were like, okay, so we're diverting all this food waste, but we're also using this delivery truck to be able to bring it all the way into the city. How can we make this efficient as possible? And so we actually created a route for our delivery truck to stop at 3 different locations to minimize the amount of cars having to drive into our central hub. And that's what we're always looking to do. And so, yeah, so we're always looking to minimize negative effects.
What effect has your project had on greenhouse gas emissions, and how has that impact measured?
Yeah, so when food waste happens and occurs at farms, it goes either 2 ways. So it's either going to a landfill where it's not able to be composted correctly, which releases carbon dioxide and methane into the air, or it's replowed into the land, which is also not a great alternative because it still releases a lot of methane into the air. So by diverting this food waste from being wasted and either going to a landfill or being replowed, we're stopping that decomposition process of happening where it's releasing these unnecessary gases into the air. And we actually have some numbers calculated from Stats Canada and other resources like that we use to calculate per pound of produce that we're able to divert.
Can you clarify what you achieved just this year versus the previous years?
Yep, so this year we were able to open 2 new locations, which is, I think, a record for one single year. We were also able to divert over 95,000 pounds of food waste, which translates to about 9,500 bundles being sold.
And I would love to add on to that as well, as this year we focused on a rural strategy. In the past, we have been very urban focused, which was wonderful for everyone in the HRM and even our urban Toronto or Ontario locations. However, we realized that there was a need outside of the HRM. So we decided to put most of our expansion resources into this rural strategy. And both of the locations that we have open this year have been in very rural areas, and we're very proud of that.
How do you market your project to your target audience?
So to market our project to our target audience, we focus on our own social medias, as well as using community managers' social medias and leveraging partnerships that reach our same demographic that we're looking to access.
Thank you.